Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my June Boxycharm unboxing, and for the month of June I did get BoxyLuxe. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. They do have 3 different tiers, and the base box is $25 a month. They do have Boxycharm Premium, which is $35, and then they do have BoxyLuxe, which is $50, and that's every 3 months, so that's every season. And the BoxyLuxe boxes are like makeup and lifestyle, not just full-on makeup. So yeah, I do have the Boxycharm link down below in my description box. If you guys are interested in signing up, you can either use my link or someone else's. It is like a referral link, so I do get like extra points for it. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my box and see my impressions and try on of it, then just keep on watching. The first things in the box are little like cards, and then the Boxycharm card itself. And this just tells you the theme of the box, which is the Oasis. And I got variation 2 of the box. And on the back, it just lists all the items and the retail value and a little description for everything. So then I also got this information card on the Purelisse Perfect Glow SPF 30 BB Cream. It's not a coupon or anything, so okay. But then I have a coupon for $5 off of Kylie Skin. Alright, so the first thing is from Hallmark Collectibles, and this was my choice item. It is a satin eye mask and satin pillowcase. And I'll be putting it on my pillow tonight. And I just hear really good things about satin pillowcases and stuff for like your skin and your hair, so I'm definitely excited to try these out. It says Hallmark Collectibles Satin Pillow and Mask Set. Non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes 1 standard satin pillowcase with matching satin eye mask. And it's just for $50, so kind of pricey. Wouldn't buy it myself, but I'm definitely excited to have it. So next was another choice item, and this is the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Alright, so you just take the lid off. There is like this little stopper thing right here, and you just twist it up, and this is the balm itself. That is cold. Okay. I'm not complaining. I really like that. I'm just going to rub it in with my finger. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but... So it says, this eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in the lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. And it retails for $28. And I don't really know if anything's super filled in or not, but that felt really cooling under my eyes, so I can get used to using that in the morning. Next is from Kylie Skin, and it is their foaming face wash. And I'm not going to open this yet and wash my face, but I will be using this when I use up my other face wash. I just don't like having multiple face washes and too much skincare open at a time. But it says, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And it retails for $24, and it is 5 fluid ounces. So that's not too expensive for like higher end skincare, but it's not like the cheapest either. So I will definitely try this out, and I'm definitely excited to have it because I need a new face wash sooner or later, and it's one of those things that I go through very frequently because I'm washing my face every day. Next is this $1 Billion Brushes Charcoal Brush Set. Bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. With 5 brushes inside the box, we have a powder brush, contour brush, color brush, eyeshadow brush, and highlight brush, which this seems kind of small for a highlight brush. It says to apply highlight for small areas of the face, but it seems more like an eyeshadow creasy brush. So I will be using these brushes, but obviously I haven't pulled out any makeup-y items yet, so we'll come back to these. But it says these vegan, cruelty-free, and synthetic brushes are charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application, and it retails for $55. So that's kind of pricey for some brushes. I use a lot of BH Cosmetics brushes, and those are like $20 for a brush set, and then you're getting like 8 to 12 brushes in, so kind of pricey, but I will be giving them a shot. So next is the Tarteist Pro palette, and I feel like this has been in other boxes before. I haven't gotten it personally, but I feel like it's been in other boxes. Maybe it was the other Tarteist Pro palette, because I know they've got like a different color story one, but palettes that comes with a little like makeup sheet for like different tutorials. Alright, so this is the palette. If you guys haven't seen what it looks like, you have a giant mirror. Here are the colors right here. You got 16 matte shades, and then you have 4 shimmer shades. So I will be using this today. I love this. Oh, yeah. I like this mirror. And I've used Tarte shadows before. I have their original Tartelette palette, and I really enjoy that. So I know that I enjoy the formula. No, I have another Tarte palette, just kidding. I'm going to start off with my MAC paint pot like I always do. Brush is one of the flat eyeshadow brushes, so I'm not going to use this for a crease shade, but I will use this for a lid shade. I'm just going to take my fluffy BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, this row looks fun. We're going to go into the shade Profesh. Oh, I'm going to apply this in the crease. That's so pigmented. Okay. So now I'm going to take the shade Chic, which is right next to it. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit higher. And then now I'm going to take the $1 billion brushes and go into the shade Mod and just pick that up on this brush. Over the lid first, I will pack the shimmer on top. I just do want to use all 4 mattes in this row. Leave the outer corner open because I want the darkest shade to look as dark as possible. I'm going to flip the brush and go into the Drama shade and pack that on the outer corner of the lid. Alright, so on the same brush, I'm now going to go in with Minx, which is the shimmer shade. Seeing it, it's got a sheen to it compared to this eye, but it's not the most insane shimmer, but that could just be with picking it up on a brush, because this is the color right here. So I'm going to just pack this on with my finger. It says, prepare for an expression explosion. Being passionate about pigment, the sequel to the original OG Pro palette came to play. This rich, vibrant, 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. And it says $49. Are there 3 of these? I thought this was the original one. So I don't know if that description is for the other Pro palette, or if this is the second one and there are 3 of them total. I thought this was the original, so I don't know. But yeah, it retails for $49, and for the amount of shades you get in here for 20 shades, that's actually a pretty good price, you know, for a high-end eyeshadow palette. So definitely excited to have this and to continue playing around with it. So next is this Pure Elise Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30, and this is what we had the little card for. It shows the ingredients. This doesn't. I got the shade Medium. I don't know if that's going to be too dark or not. This is what it looks like, just squeezed out on the back of my hand. To get it on my face. And it is a BB cream, so I'm not expecting, you know, super full coverage or anything. So I think that's a decent shade match. Again, with it not being as full coverage, it can be a little bit more forgiving. But it covered up the little bit of redness on my cheek compared to this cheek. Now I'm going to take a little bit more for my forehead and for my chin. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how it's translating on camera, but in person it looks really fresh and nice. It evened out my skin tone. It covered up the redness of the pimples on my chin a little bit. It didn't cover them up like a full coverage foundation would, but again, it's a BB cream. I did not expect that from it, but it went over them nicely. It did cancel out a little bit of the redness, so at least there's that with it. It didn't blend fully around my nose, but like normal foundation doesn't stick to my nose nicely anyway, so I'm not blaming this at all. That's just the issue of foundation on my nose. Alright, so we do have a concealer brush. I forgot about this for a second. I don't normally apply under eye concealer with a brush, so I am just going to take it with my Mary Kay concealer and I'm going to spot conceal. I don't know how the shade match is going to be compared with the BB cream. I'm just packing it in. I guess I'll clean up my lip line with it a little bit. It works. It applies concealer. I don't mind with brushes if they're not the best for makeup application. I'll use them with face paints. I love getting brushes. Now I'm going to take the powder brush and I'm going to go into my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Powder's not clinging weird, so maybe it's a combination of the powder and the brush. It doesn't look cakey. So next we have the contour brush, and I don't like contour, so I am just going to try to use this for bronzer. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in Forever Sun-Kissed and just bronze up my face with it. And this brush is just as soft as like the other ones, so there's that for it. If the brushes aren't soft, I'm not a fan if it's not soft. Take this brush again and I'm going to take a blush, and this is the Primer Infused Blush in Always Cheeky. And I'm just going to apply it with the same brush. There's no rules saying you have to use the brush for what its label is. I just wanted to test them out for those purposes, but I also want to try this out for blush, and it seems to be working just fine. I like the shape of it because it like hugs right here nicely. The last brush we have to try out is the highlight brush, and again, this just looks like a crease brush, but I will try it for highlight. I don't know if they mean like inner corner highlight because it's like a little big for that, but it says highlight brush, so I'm going to take this Becca Vanilla Quartz and I am going to take it with the shade Glam though, and I will be using it for an inner corner highlight. It might be a little bit big, but we will see. Works. It's not the most precise inner corner highlight brush, but it works. Alright, so I just finished off the eyes. So I just pretty much copied the top on the bottom. My mom called me, so I was just talking to her on the phone and I just finished up my lower lash line. Alright, so next we have the Pure Heals by Nature Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. No idea how to say that. It comes in this jar and it comes with a little scooper. It looks literally just like honey, so here. We're not gonna use that right now. So I will definitely be using this on. I love sleeping masks and I love honey, so I'm definitely excited to try that. And it says an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated and sensitive skin. Retail $55, so that is kind of pricey. Last item is this Bodyography Professional Cosmetics lip pencil, and it's a 2-pack. Shades, we have a darker reddish berry looking shade and a more pinky nude shade. And shade Pouty, the shade Rosewood. You know what, let's go a little deeper today. Let's go with Rosewood. Alright, so the shade isn't as dark as I thought it was going to be, but it's still a really nice shade, so I'm not too mad at it. Pencil, it was a little bit drier of formula, so it wasn't as creamy. I kind of had to go back and forth a little bit to get a lip line. You guys can see how messy the pencil got. But I am going to add a lip gloss on top, and this is the Becca Volcano Goddess one in the Molten Mauve. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise, pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. So they didn't glide on the smoothest. I don't know if they were still just like a little like cold. I'm not sure, but you know, decent. But they retail for $28. So like, I don't know, $14 a lip liner. NYX makes really good lip liners. Jordana, Wet n Wild. Fraction of the price, so I don't think these lip liners are worth it. The colors are really pretty, but the formula isn't my favorite. Alright, so that was everything for my BoxyLuxe this month. My retail value for this month's box is $324, so it's definitely way up there. I definitely think this month's box was really good. March's BoxyLuxe was just kind of mediocre for me. You guys would see I didn't even have the video up. I could not film it to save my life. I tried filming that like 6 different times and it never turned out, so I just like wrote it off. I do have it on my Instagram. It's my second Instagram, which is just my makeup specific one. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!